What does UwU stand for?
Hello there, curious minds. Welcome to our exciting video where we'll dive deep into internet culture to explore the meaning and usage of a very special term, UwU. You've probably seen this peculiar combination of letters and wondered what it stands for. Buckle up as we unwrap the layers of this popular internet slang.
What does UwU stand for?
Before we venture further, let's clarify that UwU doesn't stand for anything specific in the traditional sense. It's not an acronym, but rather an emoticon or a pictorial representation used in text messages and social media. The UwU emoticon is used to denote a cute, happy, or affectionate emotional response. When you look at it sideways, the U's look like closed eyes and the W looks like a small, content smile.
How did UwU originate?
The exact origin of UwU is hard to pin down, but it's a safe bet that it originated from various online communities and forums. This emoticon has its roots in Japanese manga and anime culture, where exaggerated facial expressions are a common tool to show characters' emotions. The UwU face is often used in response to something endearing or adorable. Over time, it seeped into mainstream internet language and now is widely used across various social media platforms.
How and when to use UwU?
So, when do you use UwU? This is typically used when you find something adorable, cute, or charming. You can use it when you're feeling particularly affectionate or happy about something. For example, if someone sends you a picture of a cute puppy, responding with UwU would be an appropriate and friendly reaction. And there you have it. We've uncovered the adorable mystery that is UwU. It's a symbol of joy, affection, and the undeniable influence of digital communication on our language. We hope this video has been informative and entertaining, and next time you see UwU in a text, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Until our next deep dive into internet culture, stay curious.